going to sleep.
Right when I was getting sleepy, I heard a freaking bird. It's like, okay. It's because it was like 4 a.m. when I got sleepy.
The wind was really howling.
Did you steal my spoon?
I did steal the spoon. I'm sorry. You want it back?
Not yet.
I'm gonna sleep at 8 tonight.
You guys get any sleep at all?
No. I actually got 0 sleep.
So, Baptiste Journaux, I think it's absolutely amazing life experience for anybody, but especially for people who are doing Earth and planetary science. This is one of the very rare, probably the most awesome thing you can see on Earth in terms of astronomical observation.
My name is Alyssa Fintel. I am a 4th-year PhD student at the University of Washington in the Earth and Space Sciences Department. I work with Harold Tobin and I study fault mechanics, earthquakes, specifically in Alaska. I have a very comprehensive PhD of lab work and field work and lab experiments and yeah. Official. She does say over, I didn't say over. Let me see how far Clinton is from us. I'm thinking stopping in Clinton. It's about a 15-minute drive on the highway. Over.
Sounds great. We'll do that. Thank you.
Over. Thank you. Over.
Hello, I am Haskell Triguet-White. I am a student at the University of Washington Earth and Space Sciences program. I'm a planetary science major, and my expertise is in Venus's past habitability and its evolution. So I am fascinated by, if it was habitable in the past, what happened to it, when, and why. I think I'm most excited about how the sun is reaching its peak maximum solar activity. It's in the 11-year cycle, and so during the solar eclipse we're going to see some really cool features that you probably can't usually see even at the last eclipse, the 2017 one, like solar prominences and some cool corona features. So that's going to be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Also, I just wanted a good opportunity to bond with my cohort more and bond with the planetary scientists at the University of Washington and have a really fun trip during the term.
We're driving by right now limestone cliffs and dolostone and dolomite cliffs to be able to talk about and to share my research and my area of expertise, and so we both get to learn from each other. It's, you know, education and bonding and whatnot. Be able to just come and look at science and have a really cool, fun time and be able to combine both of them, even if they are in no way related, is really cool. That's weird. That was talking to. And that one. If you do the combo plate, you get 2 sides.
It's documenting the foreigner being very confused.
That's right.
And here we go.
Woo. You guys are so excited.
Where are we going for the gas?
So my GPS tells me that we're going through Mansfield, but maybe
Where is
yours
it, Mansfield?
which is right where we turn to go south.
Ah, okay. Okay.
know, the ground is colder than the air above it. Because typically warm air rises, but if the air above it is warm, then it doesn't rise. I have not.
I have not, but that's what the rocks are like. The granite boulders here are like the ones in Joshua Tree. They form the same way.
So we just arrived in Totality. So now we are in the northern part of the Totality zone. So here we're around like 30 seconds of Totality, and we're going towards the center. And so the further we go to the central part of the eclipse, the more we're going through the center of the shadow. And so the longer the length of the eclipse will be.
It's so windy. This is just so fun. We're gonna have like 20 outtakes.
Yeah, ripple marks. That's really cool. Oh yeah. You can see the ripple marks.
What direction was the water flowing?
So I'm Ula. I'm a first-year grad student in the Earth and Space Science Department working with Baptiste. My study area is ocean exoplanets, so I'm trying to constrain the conditions at which habitable niches might form in their interiors. So I'm curious about where life could exist on other worlds completely outside of our solar system.
480 million years ago. Yeah.
Oh, cross.
Ooh.
Okay, someone explain cross-bedding to me because I need to know this for Mars.
You see?
People always say this, and I'm like,
So you have the discordance, right?
That's a big word.
Yeah. So a discordance when you have an angle between two sedimentary deposit layers. So here we have it appears we have like a flat one, and here we have other beddings that have an angle with it and dies on it. That's called discordance.
So I'm Andrew Shumway. I am a 6th year PhD student in Earth and Space Sciences and Astrobiology. And I'm studying water on Mars. My specialty is looking at how water and salt and soil all intersect to potentially make liquid water possible on Mars today. Driving through these dolomite limestone layers in the Ozarks and getting to talk about that and thinking about my research on Mars, where we're also seeing carbonates and thinking about what kind of environments could have deposited those, was really, really useful educational and research experience for me.
From Seattle.
Oh, okay, let me move it for you.
Okay.
That's
it? Okay. And you can adjust, Logan, the focus is right here. Adjust that until you see the fine. The red one. 30 minutes from 20 minutes from Totality. So we are a decent ways into the eclipse now. The moon is moving in front of the sun, and we're starting to see things get pretty dim, and temperature is starting to drop.
I don't know if everybody on the live can see this, but it's like night dark. There's oh my god, this is wild. I think my favorite part of the eclipse was the part where we could take our glasses off and look at it and see Venus and Jupiter.
I remember just pointing out the planets and looking for the moons with Ula and Alyssa and Andrew. It was just so special, and I loved it.
And I also found myself like looking around during Totality and just kind of trying to take in that unique environment.
It feels good to have waken up at 5 a.m. for this. Totally worth it. So.
Was it?
That was incredible.
Yeah.
Seeing the totality is unlike anything else. Words cannot really describe it. You really, really have to see it for yourself.
See like an eruption. I think it was really like such a unique opportunity to do that with grad students of our department and have them, share that with them, and making sure they transmit the love of eclipses to their students later. And so